In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Home Depot order status 2026, step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can quickly confirm whether your order is processing, shipped, or ready for pickup. First, head to the Home Depot website. Open your preferred web browser and type homedepot.com into the address bar. Give the homepage a moment to load. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Home Depot logo and the familiar orange navigation. If you're on a phone or tablet, the layout may be a bit more compact and you might see a menu button at the top. That's normal. If the site asks to use your location, that's just to tailor store availability and pickup options. It won't affect your ability to view order status. Next, look for the login option. On desktop, this is typically in the upper right corner labeled account or login. On mobile, tap the profile or person icon or the account label near the top of the screen. Clicking login takes you to the account area. If you already have a Home Depot account, being in this area centralizes your orders and makes it easy to view updates in one place. Even if you prefer not to sign in, starting here helps you find the order tools faster, since this menu groups together sign in, order history, and tracking links. Now click on track order. This link is commonly found within the account or sign in area, and it opens a dedicated tracking page. Here, you'll typically see fields where you can look up an order using the details from your purchase confirmation, or if you're signed in, you can view the orders associated with your account. Your confirmation email or receipt usually includes an order number and the contact information used at checkout. Entering those exact details helps the system pull up the correct order. Once you're on the tracking page, you'll see a clear status such as processing, shipped, out for delivery, ready for pickup, or delivered. For shipped items, a carrier tracking link may appear so you can follow the package's movement. For store pickup, the page will indicate the selected store and when your items are ready, along with any time window. Status updates refresh as the order moves through each stage, so if you don't see an immediate change, give it a little time. That's all there is to it. Go to the Home Depot website, click Login to access the account area and select Track Order to view your status. Thanks for watching and happy tracking.